Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is gonna be a huge project for me, filming a full what I eat in a week. So going from what I eat in a day to a whole week, and yeah, lots of work to document every single meal. But I really want to do it because I just feel like it's the best way to show a good representation, because I would say I very much strive towards like the 80-20 principle. So 80% super healthy, 20% lots of pleasure. I think that's also a really healthy balance. I do have lots of course, healthy recipes also planned, very simple and easy dishes that I hope give you lots of new inspiration and ideas. I will also have some traveling coming up, so I'm also gonna show like how I try and stay healthy when I'm not at home, when I'm traveling. It's already Monday evening now, so I'm gonna quickly talk you through what I had during the day today. As usual, I'm starting my day with a big glass of warm lemon water to hydrate the body and to directly kickstart digestion. And while I'm drinking that, I'm doing my morning journaling and also getting in some sunlight. For breakfast, I had a green smoothie with frozen spinach, 1 whole cucumber, also 1 whole banana. Then I added 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, some almond milk, I did that according to feeling, and 1 huge tablespoon of almond butter, and then blending it all together. And this one tasted so good, and it's just such an amazing and easy way to right away get in some greens first thing in the morning. For lunch, I wanted to have something high in protein, so I made these chicken tacos, kind of like. I boiled some chicken, making sure it's organic and local. I shredded it with 2 forks and then cut 2 sticks of celery, 1 whole red onion, and adding 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, mixing it all together, also adding a little bit of herbs for extra flavor. And then I took these corn crackers and added the whole chicken mix on top, adding some more chili flakes and then storing the rest of it in the fridge. For dinner, I have my current absolute favorite meal, which is Greek yogurt with watermelon, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, some pomegranate, and then a huge portion of almond butter. And oh my god, I just really love this, especially in summer. After dinner, I took some time to make healthy chocolate ice cream. For that, we need 8 medjool dates, 3 tablespoons of raw cacao powder, about 1 tablespoon of raw cacao nibs, then some almond butter. I added about half a jar, so maybe like 100 grams. Then almond milk, that I do according to feeling, so that the whole mixture turns out to be fluid, but still a little bit creamy and very chocolatey. After mixing, I add again a little bit of the cacao nibs to give it some crunch, and then I pour it into these ice popsicle holders and store it in the freezer overnight to turn out into this amazing ice cream that I'll show you one of the next days. I either have matcha or coffee every morning, and today I made myself a matcha latte with almond milk. One of my favorite breakfasts at the moment is to make omelette with 2 eggs, frying them in a pan and then adding lots of baby spinach and feta cheese, and just an amazing way to get in protein and also greens. And I add some extra avocado on top to have some healthy fats, and yeah, this is just really one of the most nutritious breakfasts I can think of. For lunch, I'm heading out today to meet with my friend Kira at one of my absolute favorite places in Hamburg, where you can put together your own salad and everything is organic and so delicious. So I mixed this salad with sweet potato and lots of greens and veggies. And they also have the most amazing desserts. For dinner, I had the exact same as yesterday because I just love it so much. Before going to bed, I prepare my breakfast for tomorrow because I want to have a chia pudding. So I put 3 tablespoons of chia seeds into a glass jar and then some cinnamon and almond milk, about 150 milliliters, mixing it together and sealing it to store it in the fridge overnight. As usual, I started the day with warm lemon water, and today I also took some time to make celery juice, freshly squeezed. And then it was time for the breakfast, the chia pudding, which turned out so amazing. So I added the chia pudding into a bowl and then topped it with strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, pomegranate, making sure all of them are organic, and then Greek yogurt and nut butter. And oh my god, I swear to you, this was really just pure heaven. For lunch, having what I sometimes have for breakfast, but I really felt like it, so I made the omelette with the eggs and lots of spinach and feta cheese, and it's just really so filling. I am sitting and getting some work done on my laptop and drinking lots of tea because it's super hot today. So I made myself a huge pot of chamomile tea. I learned both in Chinese medicine and also in Ayurveda that drinking warm water, even though it's super hot outside, is really good for the body, because when you drink super ice cold things, it actually slows down digestion. And also for my body type in Ayurveda, I learned warm things are really good for me, so I made that a total habit, and I'm having chamomile tea, which then I feel like is a total win-win, because it's also really good to calm down the nervous system and relax and lower stress levels. I'm also having the little brownie that I bought yesterday and totally forgot to eat, so having it now. Before dinner, I did some grocery shopping to then make some sweet potato chickpea toasts. So I cut the sweet potato in very thin slices and put them into the oven. And then I make a mix out of cucumber, onion, some celery, and a whole glass of chickpeas, 1 whole avocado, Greek yogurt, about 3 tablespoons or 4, and then mixing it together, adding herbs into it. And this is kind of like a vegetarian option of what I had on Monday, the chicken dish. So you can instead just add chickpeas, and I also this time added the cucumber, and it was so good on the sweet potato toast. So you can basically use it to replace any bread, and of course storing the rest of it for tomorrow in the fridge. Today is a little bit of a stressful day, so I don't really have time to make lunch, but Jacob brought me a sandwich, which is super nice, from Joe and the Juice. I have the avocado one, which is my favorite, so yeah, just gonna have a quick bite today. For dinner, I defreezed a salmon fillet and then fried it in a pan until it was really gold brown, and adding it on top of the chickpea mix that I had still left over from yesterday. So it was so easy and quick to make. I really love 100% dark chocolate, so had that as a dessert with some strawberries. It is Emilia's birthday today actually, but we will celebrate it on Saturday, and I'm sitting right now to make a little photo album for her with lots of memories that we had together, and can't wait to give that to her. finally having the chocolate ice cream, and it really just tastes so amazing, which is incredible because it has no artificial sugar, is so healthy and so good. Happy Friday. I skipped breakfast today, which is really not good. I try to always make sure to have breakfast because I can just really see it so much in my body and my hormone levels and just how I feel, that having breakfast for me is super important. But I had such a busy morning today. Yeah, 12:30 already now, so it's gonna be a mix between breakfast and lunch, and I'm just making again some eggs. Okay, the timing today is super off because we are going for dinner now, even though it's like 4 o'clock, because we were both so hungry and we wanted to go for dinner tonight, and we were just like, okay, let's do it now and have kind of like a late...
It's almost 5.
Late lunch, yeah. Okay, yeah, it's almost 5. Early dinner, late lunch. I had a tuna steak with some spinach, mashed potato and veggies on the side. And because we had dinner so early, I of course was super hungry. Later in the evenings I had some Greek yogurt with berries and almond butter. Good morning. I am on my way to the airport now, and I actually... Jacob is driving me there because I'm going to Copenhagen today for Emilia's birthday. She's celebrating tonight, and I was super stressed this morning. I was running really late, so I didn't film what I was having, but it also wasn't that exciting because it was again eggs with spinach and feta, and I had coffee with almond milk, and now I need to quickly finish my makeup because I didn't have time to do that. I always make sure to hydrate a lot when I'm traveling, and today I also had another coffee. I normally try to only have one, but really felt like it today. I am sitting at the gate right now, and I really have to say I am so excited and so happy to go to Copenhagen today to see Emilia and a lot of my other friends from Copenhagen and Denmark, and just nothing better than traveling and seeing friends. I am staying with my friend Mette and her boyfriend in Copenhagen, and we're getting ready together to go to Emilia's birthday. Ready to go! We started with an aperitif at a place called Apollo Bar and had some cheese and bread with butter and skyr and nuts and artichoke, and of course some wine, and it was just amazing. From there we continued to the next place where we were about to have dinner. And can you just take in the city? Copenhagen is definitely my favorite city in the world. It is so beautiful. And at the second place we had first another drink with some olives, and then burrata with bread, a huge salad, and then also some toasts that I forgot to film, but it was these cheese ham toasts. Then we went to a third place to have dessert, and it was these strawberry tarts, which tasted amazing. Had another drink there, so it was definitely a lot of alcohol involved that night, and I usually don't drink that much, but that night was definitely so worth it. We ended up going out and now going for pizza. We actually ended up having these falafel, shawarma and some fries, and it was the best thing I ever had at 4 in the morning. The sun was already rising, it was definitely late. Had to start the morning with lots of water and tea to hydrate after last night. We had a lot of drinks and also shots, but as I said, it was so worth it. We had the best night and now gonna take good care of my body today and also the next days. We are going out now to have a picnic. We're feeling very fresh, right?
We are so fresh.
Amelia organized this amazing picnic at the Royal Library Garden as kind of like a day after picnic, and we had some bread with cheese, lots of berries and olives and peas and lots of water. I was definitely hydrating a lot. For dinner, we of course craved something super carby, so we ordered burritos. I had a burrito with chicken and avocado, and then also some nachos with guacamole, and was really what I needed that day. After dinner, we went out for an evening walk to get some ice cream, and I chose 1 scoop of salted peanut butter and 1 scoop of strawberry. Let me know in the comments if you like this kind of video, then I'll make sure to create more of these kinds of videos. And if you haven't already, make sure to watch my last video where I share my absolute top tips and favorite beauty hacks to really glow up from the inside out. I hope I'll see you there. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.